Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the fraction. In that previous video already you have discussed about that what is the special types of fractions like like fraction, unlike fractions and unit fractions. Students, already you have discussed about that what are the different types of fractions like proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions, and also we have discussed about that what is the sum of the two fractions and what is the difference of the two fractions. So let us discuss about that students today exercise part, that is the 2.1. okay, some questions I will solve and the remaining part of that questions from the exercise you have to solve. Okay, so now see the students, the exercise 2.1 compare the following: 3/4 and 4/5 first question, and 9/10 and 11/15. So look at here students, compare the following, matlab which is greater and which is smaller. So now you have to observe that in this questions, first two questions I have selected and B and D you have to do. So let me solve this. The first question 3/4 and 4/5. So there is different methods are there students. We know that if we will do that like fractions, then we can find out that which one is smaller and which one is greater, and if we will do that cross multiplication method also we can do. So two methods first I will explain. The first method I will make it like fraction. So okay, the method 1, first method 1 we have to do this. So the two numbers are the two fractions are 3/4 and 4/5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is how much friends? 20. So if the LCM of 4 and the denominators both you have to make that like so same, so that's why we have taken that LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. So now 3/4 is equal to 4 into 5 and 3 into 5 is equal to 15/20. Now we got that one fraction, equivalent fraction we have done 15/20. Now we will see that 4/5 is equal to 5 into which number we have to multiply? 4, because it should get 20. Okay. Now same like 4 into 4 we will get that 16. Now we can compare it this both, which number is greater and which number is smaller. You know that students, if the denominators are same, the smaller numerator is smaller, greater numerator is greater. So what did you understand here? So we found that here hence 15/20 is smaller than 16/20. So according to equivalent fraction if you write it, hence we got 3/4 is smaller than how much? 4/5. This we got that. Okay. So in alternative method students also we can do. Now look at here students, second method, method 2. Second method also you can do by cross multiplication method, that also easy. So if 3/4 and 4/5 is there, so how we will find out which one is greater and which one is smaller? So look at the students, first of all you have to do cross multiplication method like that. So now multiply 3 into 5, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So now 15 is smaller than 16, hence 3/4. That means if the first number is smaller, then the first fraction is smaller. If the second one is smaller, then the second fraction is smaller. So 3/4 is now smaller than 4/5. So we got that both way the same answer. Okay students, now we will go for that second questions. So I will rub it. Now look at here students, I will rub it the second question for. Now look at here, the second question given to you, what is that? 9/10 and 11/15. Okay. So what is that questions? Now see 9/10 and 11/15. So method 1 if you will apply, any one method you can do. Suppose if 9/10 and 11/15 you will do, then what you will get first? The LCM of 10 and 15. So what will get LCM of 10 and 15? You have to do here 10 and 15 LCM. we'll take 5 2 ja 3 ja 5 2 ja 10 30 will get is 30. So 9 by 10 equivalent fraction you have to make 10 into 3 9 into 3, so we'll get 27 by 30. ठीक है. Now same like we can do that 11 by 15. So 15 into 2 11 into 2 22 by 30. Now look at the compare that, because both denominators now same, so 27 is greater than 22. So what we can write, students? 27 by 30, this we can write what is that, greater than 22 by 30, or we can write 9 by 10 is greater than 11 by 15. So this is one method. ठीक है. In the second method also we can do method 2. What is that? We can get 9 by 10 and we can write here 11 by 15. So cross multiplication do, it is very easy method, students, by second method. So what you have to do, we can write 9 into 15 is equal to 135 and 10 into 11 is equal to 110. So which one is greater? Now 135 is greater than 110. So what can write it? Hence 9 by 10 is greater than 11 by 15. So this is our answer. So this is also here, students, 9 by 10 and 11 by 15 and 9 by 10 was greater we found. So now, students, how to compare that? Like this way you can do. First of all, you can make it a like fraction, then equivalent fraction you can do, then comparison do. ठीक है. Now students, observe that here. Question number 6. What should be added to this to get 9? Okay. So we don't know what should add, but we'll get the answer how much? 9. So let solution. So we can write, let the required number, let the required number be x. हमें कितना ऐड करना है? x. किसके साथ? 6 whole 3 by 4. So now according to the question ATQ, according to question x plus 6 whole 3 by 4 is equal to 9. ठीक है. So which implies, if we'll do that, x plus 6 4 ja 24, 27 by 4 is equal to 9, which implies x is equal to, this one will go to right side, so 9 minus it will become 4. Okay, or we can write this LCM 4 9 ja 36 minus 27, so how much? 9 by 4. ठीक है. What did you get? Here 36 minus 27 is equal to 9 by 4. So hence x is equal to 9 by 4, or the required number is 9 by 4, or if we do that 2 whole 1 by 4. ठीक है. Same like, students, 10th question we have to do. I will do that some problems. The question read that, students, the length and the breadth of a rectangular room is 7 whole 1 by 2 meter and 5 whole 1 by 6 meter. Find the perimeter of the room. Okay, that means it is length is there, breadth is there, so it is a rectangle. Yes, rectangular room. So what is asking? Find the perimeter. What do you mean perimeter? Do you have idea about that perimeter of rectangular field? Yes, 2 whole length plus breadth. Okay, so solution, given that the length L is equal to how much, friends? 7 whole 1 by 2 meter or 15 by 2 meter. 15 by 2 meter. Okay, so what is that breadth? The breadth is equal to B is equal to how much? 5 whole 1 by 6 meter or 31 by 6 meter. So what is that perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much? 2 whole L plus B. So is equal to, we can put this value 15 by 2 plus 31 by 6. So is equal to 2 whole LCM 6. 6 divided by 2, 3, 15 ja 45 and plus 31 is equal to 2 whole 6 bend 6 by 6 or is equal to 1, 2, 7 ja 14, 1 by 6. Okay, 152 by 6. If you will make it meter, then we can write hence perimeter is equal to, if you to mixed fraction, if you will do 6 2 ja 12, 3 32, 6 5 ja 36 this meter. So this is our answer. So I hope you have understand that exercise 2.1 first question, compare the followings. Next, by the two methods I have explained, and sixth question, what should be the word problems like, and also 10th questions. So remain questions remain bits you have to do by as a homework. Okay students, thank you all of you. Homework for you, exercise 2.1. Thank you.